Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing why your PS5 suddenly turns off. Place your PS5 on a flat table surface where you can easily access the back and sides. Make sure the PS5 is fully powered off and not just in rest mode. Unplug the PS5 power cable carefully from the back of the PS5. Also unplug the PS5 HDMI cable to avoid tension while moving it. Check the PS5 power cable plug for any bends or loose damage. Reseat the PS5 power cable firmly back into the power port. Make sure the PS5 power cable clicks in securely and does not wobble. Now inspect the PS5 ventilation areas on both sides of the console. If the PS5 vents look dusty, that can cause overheating and shutdowns. Use a soft brush to gently clean the PS5 ventilation holes. Hold the PS5 upright and lightly tap to release loose dust. Use compressed air in short bursts to blow dust away from PS5 vents. Make sure not to spray air directly into the PS5 fan at high pressure. Now set the PS5 back in a location with good airflow and space around it. Avoid placing the PS5 inside tight cabinets or next to hot walls. Plug the PS5 power cable back into a stable wall outlet, not a loose power strip. Press the power button on the PS5 to turn it on. If the PS5 turns off again, we'll adjust PS5 system settings next. Turn on the PS5 again and go to Settings. Navigate to System inside the PS5 menu. Go to Power Saving Options inside System. Select features available in rest mode. Disable. Stay connected to the internet on the PS5. Disable. Supply power to USB ports on the PS5 to reduce power drain. Go back to the PS5 system menu. Go to HDMI settings inside System. Turn off. Enable HDMI device link on the PS5. This prevents power conflicts between your PS5 and the TV. Now power down your PS5 again from the menu. Unplug the PS5 power cable once more. Wait at least 60 seconds to allow the PS5 power supply to discharge. Press and hold the PS5 power button for 10 seconds while unplugged. This drains any residual power in the PS5 system. Plug the PS5 power cable back in again. Turn the PS5 on normally. If the PS5 still turns off, we will start PS5 safe mode. Turn the PS5 off completely. Press and hold the PS5 power button until you hear the second beep. Connect the PS5 controller via USB cable. Choose Safe Mode Option 5, Rebuild Database. Confirm the rebuild and wait for the PS5 to complete the scan. The PS5 will restart automatically when finished. Test the PS5 by opening a game. Let the PS5 run for several minutes to monitor stability. If the PS5 stays on, the issue may have been corrupted data. If the PS5 shuts off again, we'll check temperature. Feel the sides of the PS5 while running to see if it gets extremely hot. If the PS5 is overheating, internal dust cleaning may be required. You may need to remove the side panels to access deeper dust buildup. If you are uncomfortable doing that, consider professional cleaning. Now check the PS5 power outlet for stability. Try plugging the PS5 into a different wall outlet. Avoid using cheap extension power strips for the PS5. Try powering the PS5 with a different compatible PS5 power cable. If the PS5 still turns off, the internal PS5 power supply may be failing. At this point, contact PlayStation support for service options. Many PS5 units are still eligible for repair or replacement. Your PS5 can be restored back to stable performance with proper care. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe.